So, hi everybody, myself Vani Amanand. So, today I'm here to speak about the ethical issues that can be occurred in a company or a business. So, in business, the ethical issues can be defined as the illegal, unethical, and irresponsible act made by a company or a business. So, this is what ethical issue in a business is termed as. So here is a case study of the brand Indulekha. So with the help of this brand, we can understand how ethical issues is affecting a company. So telling about the brand Indulekha, it is an Indian brand which mainly focus on the hair care products, and the brand is headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and Indulekha established in 2009. Actually, this Indulekha provides true goodness of authentic Ayurveda. So they are strongly offering the consumers that by using this Indulekha products, of course, they will give a solution for our skin and hair problems. So, as I said before, the Indulekha is mainly focused on the hair products like hair oil, hair shampoo, hair conditioner, etc. So, along with that, they decided to focus on the skincare products also. So, as the first step for that, they decided to bring a Indulekha white soap to the market. As we all know that whenever product enter to the market, of course the company will promote the product by using with the help of the ads. Then only the product will reach to the consumer's mind. So like the same way, Indulekha company also provided ads to make popular this Indulekha white soap. And the ad was like this. Through the ad, they are conveying that actually this Indulekha white soap was fully enriched with the goodness of coconut milk. So they are saying that by using this coconut milk, the soap in our face or in our skin, it will always hydrate our skin, and of course it is a good moisturizer for the every type of skin. And also by using this soap, we can increase our fairness. So this was the content of the ad that they are using to promote the Indulekha white soap. Actually, it was the time when the Indulekha soap was leading in the market. At the time, the native of Manandawadi, Mr. Chatu, filed a case against the Indulekha company and also against the brand ambassador of Indulekha soap, that is Malayalam actor Mammootty, in the consumer court. And the case was like this. Actually, he says that he failed to, by using the soap, he failed to find the desired outcome of beautification from the soap, which was mentioned in the ad. So this was the case against the Indulekha soap which was filed by Mr. Chatu. So, for solving the problem, Chatu demanded for rupees 50,000 against the company, and of course the company also paid the money and they solved the problem in the court itself. And actually what I am going to say from this case study is that every company, we can see it is actually this Indulekha is just only a simple example, a small example, but when we are deeply thinking, we are deeply researching into the business or a company, we can see that every company and every business in a particular situation, they are out of the ethics that they are followed until then. So that is not actually fair. Everybody want to, their aim is, every business or every company's aim is to, how they want to achieve the consumer satisfaction. So actually the satisfaction is not achieved through any unethical or illegal or irresponsible activities. Every work or everything that a business or company doing, they should maintain a good ethical practice in that. Then only, of course, they can be successful in a consumer's mind. So of course it is not just about money, it is all about the notation of a trust that a company built in consumer's mind. So only the trust can be built through the ethics. So this is what I want to talk about, the ethical issues of a company or a business. Thank you.